Hello class 5th student. Here we are on the chapter 3rd in which we read a story of three friends and we get the value for keeping trust means maintain your trust, maintain your belief to others, need not to be dishonest. So let's talk about how do you know that you can trust someone. Means how do you know that you can trust to someone? Once trust has been broken, what can you do to regain it? Means someone believe in you that you never betrayed, you never dishonest to them, but at a time if there will be happening about this that you broke this trust, you broke this belief, then how to regain this, how the same people trust you. So it is a story of the three friends and you know the value that how much the trust is valuable. Trust is very valuable thing. If you losing it, you cannot be get the trust again, and you have to do the hard work to regain it. So let's start the story of three friends. There is a three friends: penguin, reindeer, and fox. You can see in the diagram or in the picture you see the penguin, reindeer, and the fox. Let's start. Penguin, reindeer, and fox were great friends. One day, penguin and reindeer found a load of fruit and decided to keep it in a secret. Means, one day, penguin and reindeer found a load of fruit. They got a lot of fruits and they decided to keep it a secret, and they want to keep it secret. They don't want that anyone know about it. On the way, the fox met, who after seeing them so happy asked the reason. Means after that, when they are going to hide for the fruits, then in the way or in the path, fox met them, and fox see that they both are very happy, so she asked the reason about the happiness. They told him that it was a secret. They told to the fox that it is a secret, as you all people don't tell your secret to everyone. Just like the same manner, they said to the fox that it was a secret, so they can't tell him. But fox asked them to trust him, so they told him about the fruit. But fox say what the fox said, that they have to trust on the fox, and after that they told the fox about the fruits. When they arrived at the village, fox forgot about his promise and told everyone. Means when they all arrive at the village or reach at the village, and fox forget about his promise and told everyone about that fruits. When penguin and reindeer return to the place, means when they both are come back, then they had found the fruits. They had found the fruit. The animals of the village has already been there and eaten it all. When they are come back, they found the fruit, means they want to fruits. They like to fruits, but all the animals of the village had already eaten all that fruits. Means at that time, fox break the trust which they both keeping on the fox. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.